Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your Asphalt Legends Unite game account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Asphalt Legends Unite game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start playing your games. Now, if you wish to add friends onto your account, just tap on the friends icon at the top alongside the shop button. Once you tap on this, you will be taken into the Your Friends menu. You can tap on Add Friends from this menu and then tap on the search button. You can then type in the user ID or the player name within the user ID section and tap on the search button. Once you find the person that you wish to add, just tap on the Add Friend button and this will send a request to this person, which will appear in their friend request section. Once they tap on the Accept button from the friend request page, you will now become friend with this person on the Asphalt Legends Unite game, and now you can start playing multiplayer together across your different devices. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on your Asphalt Legends Unite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.